Good day. Working on my 2004 Hayabusa, and this one has an issue with overheating. I came back from a ride, pulled into the garage, I heard the cooling fan come on, then suddenly the temperature gauge went to max. So what's up with that? Well, I changed the coolant a few weeks before, rode about 500 kilometers, so there's a number of things that could be causing that. I ruled out air in the system. That would have showed up right away after I changed the coolant and took it for a ride, so that shouldn't be the problem. So I'm thinking it's going to be the thermostat. You can see the thermostat housing there. I don't think access is too bad actually. I think I can get it off without taking off the throttle bodies. Just a couple of 8mm head bolts either side of that thermostat housing, and I was able to pull it out like that. And the thermostat fits inside the housing. Kind of surprised there's no spillage, but I did drain the coolant system fairly well. That's a good thing. Okay, so I'll just proceed, and I'm not saying it's the recommended way of doing this. I'm just providing information on what I'm doing here. As always, safety first. I disconnected the negative lead on the battery. So I'm playing around in there with in contact with various couplers. I don't want to short anything, so I thought it'd be a good idea to de-energize so we don't have any problems. And I'll just continue with this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.